Why you always hating? Why you hating on me? Hating. Roll the intro.
100 boy, I promise I'm gonna get what's mine.
What's up, guys? It's your boy Lwazisbu and back again with another reaction video, guys. This is my new channel, guys. Lwazisbu, we live, baby, we live. Today's video is Fleur. Time is money. Let's get this money. Let's not waste your time, guys. Let's get to it. If you're new, please hit the subscribe button. Time is money. Money. Let's get to it, guys. Let's get to it. Wonder Art. I see you guys. Okay. Fanta. Let's go.
Yeah, yeah.
I can feel the beat is gonna be sick, man. Woo! Yeah. Where do they get the beats, man? Woo! Gang. Yeah. Money bag, you know, guys, money bag, ain't nothing but money, cash. Oh man, Trapstar, damn man, album cooking soon. I see you guys, I'll wait for the album, man. Without a doubt, that song is the best, man. Like, I could feel the beat coming. I knew the beat was gonna drop, and it dropped, man. I'll leave the link down below, guys. Make sure you check it out yourselves. With that being said, guys, Lwazisbu is gone. Don't forget to subscribe. Cash.
100 boy, I promise I'm gonna get what's mine.